Understanding, watch your 6, in everyday English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in English, watch your 6. This expression is not just a literal phrase but carries an interesting meaning in different contexts. If you're keen on enhancing your English language skills, especially in understanding colloquialisms, this video is for you. Watch your 6 originates from a pilot's lingo, where directions are given based on the clock face. Here, 6 o'clock refers to directly behind you, initially used in military contexts. This phrase now broadly means, be aware of your surroundings, or look out for danger behind you. It's a way of reminding someone to be cautious. While its roots are in military language, watch your 6 is now used in various everyday situations. For instance, it can be a friendly reminder among friends in a crowded place or a serious warning in a potentially dangerous situation. Understanding the context is key to interpreting this phrase correctly. To better grasp this expression, let's look at some examples. 1. In a friendly context, it's really crowded here at the concert. Watch your 6. 2. In a professional setting, during the negotiation, watch your 6. The other team can be quite unpredictable. 3. In a safety warning. This area gets quite dangerous after dark, so always watch your 6. This phrase has also made its way into popular culture, often appearing in movies and TV shows, especially in action or military-themed content. Its popularity in media has helped spread its use among the general public, making it a well-recognized phrase. Watch your 6 is a great example of how specific phrases can evolve from professional jargon into common everyday language. It's a reminder of how dynamic and contextual the English language can be. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and always watch your 6.